guys, this is me and Pavel. We're gonna make a Play-doh veil of Dr. Drill and Phil Play-doh. So let's get his head. Boom! So here's Dr. Drill and Phil. Bubba, say hi. Say hi.
Meh, meh. Meh, meh, meh.
So let's check the inside, okay? This is the inside. Let's do the next one. Tool. So this is the drill. So see this? See? Let's test you on Pavel. Do you like Pavel? So it will drill any Play-doh. I drilled his mustache.
Matthew, I don't feel too good. I feel like I'm changing.
Alright, next one. What happened to Pavel?
I changed! Help! Oh! Oh no, I lost all my teeth.
And your tongue.
Give me it.
And your tongue and the roof of your mouth.
Alright, let's
Help
give
me.
him stuff.
And you don't have a
But we
stomach
gotta do the
or a
whole
body.
thing. And then you change it back. Okay, we're gonna
I
use
think
this white Play-doh and the teeth maker.
I think you need to give me teeth so I can turn back into human. Here we go.
Open your mouth wide up.
Blah, blah, blah.
Hold on. I'm gonna do this very quick. I'll be right back. So we made his teeth and his tongue. Open your mouth.
Thank you.
See? And look. Oh no! Teeth are falling. We need to fix him. We need to fix him quick. So guys, we fixed him. Let's see what it looks like. It's super awesome. Let's change him back. Change back, dude. Hi, he's here, and
Sup?
we're gonna do the whole thing.
Wait. What was that? Ew! What is that? What is this?
What is this? No, I'm gonna change it.
Why are you coughing? Bro, back up, bro. Pretend you got
I'm changing it down. What happened to me?
Well, your name is Phil.
No! Can you fix me?
Yeah, I'll fix you right now. There you go.
Thanks.
Wait, we gotta. Let's see. Take that thing out. Oh, let's see for cavities.
The tooth's all black.
I think the tooth is pretty healthy. You see that? There's a sparkle. I can just pull him out.
And then you're like, what happened?
Oh my god!
You got?
Whoa, Matthew, where'd you come from?
No.
I'm back. Wait a
Make
minute.
a good video for
What's happening?
Yeah, that's not a good video. You're trying to hit him.
Huh? Where did all the teeth come from?
Look at the mirror, Matthew. Whoop. Wait. Look at the mirror. Let's see if I can see myself. Oh. Wait a second. Oh, there's me. Right there. That's me. And I think that's you right there. Wait a second. No.
Alright, let's do Dr. Drill and Phil time.
been 3 years, and I haven't found a cure for my disease, for my toothless disease. Now I will eat humans, eat their teeth. What's up, guys? Hello. Save yourself.
After 3 hours later, I will destroy I will change everyone into a Play-doh Pinky. Alright guys, I'm here, and look at this. This is already made already. I will destroy you, and you're next. No. No.